What is going on, everybody? It is RangerMarcus or Marcus Rehrman. Today we are in a familiar spot from last week. We are in Butte County herping. Today we are looking for Sierra Newts, and we have found 3 of them so far. The first 3 of the day. She was the one that actually found the first newt.
Oh, it is swimming.
Now we're gonna put these guys back. There he goes. Here we have our 4th Sierra Newt of the day. Flipped right here next to this creek. Very small. And here we got our first Slender Salamander of the day. All right, now we got 2 of them. So I just flipped this log right here, and there were 3 California alligator lizards all under here at the same time, as flipped. Look at these guys. So cool looking. This guy's trying to get away. There's the big one there. These guys are cool. I'm gonna pick some of them up. Here we got 2 more Slenders, number 3 and 4. All right, we have another newt over there right in the middle of the screen. I'm gonna get in the water, see if we can get some GoPro footage. I have no idea if that's actually recording it or not.
I don't know either.
Here we got number 7 for the day. Don't go in the water. Here we got Sierra Newt number 8. All right, so we got Sierra Newt 10 and 11 that were just walking outside of the creek here. There's the 11th. And this guy right here is number 12, which is right next to the other one that is walking right over there. Three of them just walking right next to the creek. And here we have another one just walking around, number 13. This guy. Slender number 5. Here we got number 14, also walking. We got Sierra Newt number 15 right in the middle against that white clay there. As I was taking a video of that one right there, you may have seen that there was another one right there, number 16. We got Sierra Newt number 17 right here. Almost stepped on this guy while he was walking around. Number 18 for the day. And that crack right there, kind of hard to see. Lexi spotted another newt, number 19. Here is number 20 and 21. And here's number 22. I see that 2 cows here are also looking for newts. Pretty interesting. All right, guys, it is really windy up here, but we are going to wrap up this video. We found 22 Sierra Newts. We found 5 Slender Salamanders and 3 Alligator Lizards. Once again, here is our view.